In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Salesforce CRM to N8N in just a few minutes. This integration will help you automate workflows and save time. First, open your web browser and go to the N8N website. Log in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once inside, create a new workflow to serve as the foundation for connecting Salesforce. On the workflow canvas, use the node search bar to find Salesforce and drag it onto your canvas. Click the node, then choose an action like create, get, or update records. Before proceeding, you'll need to link your credentials. Select create new credential and then connect my account. A Salesforce login page will pop up. Enter your Salesforce username and password and follow the instructions to authorize N8N to access your account. This step ensures N8N can securely interact with Salesforce. Once authorized, your Salesforce account is connected. You can now use the node to automate actions with contacts, leads, or custom objects directly within N8N. And that's it. You've successfully connected Salesforce CRM to N8N, ready to streamline your workflows and boost productivity.